You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these words. Both British English and American English pronunciations have similar pronunciations, except for the R. The British English pronunciation is as person, okay? The R is not really pronounced in British English. Person, a stress on the first syllable. American English pronunciation, the way it is pronounced in the US. Person, yes, the R is more pronounced here. Person, American English, or person, British English. And now, you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.